Hey, what's up, YouTube family? So, I just wanted to come on here and check on you guys because a lot has happened since the last video. And I just wanted to have a little lunch with you guys. I made some spicy ramen. I have a couple of eggs and some potatoes right here. Couldn't decide what I wanted to eat, so I was like, let me just make something. Throw it together really quick just to have a little bite. How have you guys been out there? If you guys can eat and put all of the little sauce in there, comment down below and let me know. Because I can't. I have to use just a little bit in mine because it's too spicy, but I love the flavor. So I still have, like, you see where it's at. Can't do it. Too spicy. Excuse the noise in the background. My puppies are out there fighting. So what are you guys thinking of this whole coronavirus thing? It's been pretty crazy. Especially where I live. There's like 100 cases and like either 1 or 2 deaths. So it's getting scary. It's getting crazy by the day. Our mayor has set not a shelter in place, but like where we still have to stay at home or whatever if we don't have an essential job. So my job is not essential. I work at a clothing store. Luckily, my honey is still able to work, but it's still scary. It's scary for all the essential employees out there. I think about that because they have to go home to their families too, and it's scary. Well, what are y'all thoughts and opinions on this whole situation? Comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I'm not perfect at this, but it's something that I like to do. I'll be uploading videos of me cooking and stuff like that. And that way y'all can kind of get the sense of what we eat over here. Because everybody's different. Excuse that beeping noise in the back. It's my rice for my kiddos. They want white rice and sausage. Our favorite here at home, of course. We're a rice family here. All we do is eat rice. That's like our bread to our food, pretty much. So yeah, I just wanted to chit chat with y'all because I hadn't been on in a while. In my potatoes, I added butter, salt, and pepper. And then I have the eggs on the side, of course. On my eggs, I have just salt and pepper. Simple, but really good. I don't know about you guys, but where we're at, a lot of the groceries are gone. So like our noodles and stuff, they're gone. And I love these. I normally get them by the bulk. But I just wanted to come on and say hello and let you guys know that we're doing good here. Just following all rules that we're supposed to do. No more than being around 10 people. Actually, no. I take that back. We're not even able to be around anybody, only the people in your household. A lot of people are not following those rules, so I guess that's why it's spread, because it went like really high after the weekend. But now we're not supposed to do anything. We're not supposed to be around people that don't live in our household and stuff like that. So we've actually just been at home. Before all of this happened, of course, like before we were even able to have like 10 people over, we did hang out with our family. And it felt good because we didn't know what was going to happen from one day to the next. So luckily we were able to hang out with them. And then what do you know, like after the weekend, boom, we had to like, not be around anybody that doesn't live in our household. So we're just going to make the best of it. And I pray for everybody out in the world, and I just pray that this passes over us, because our God is bigger than this virus. But again, I just wanted to come on here and say hello, let you guys know that we're doing good. Hopefully in the next video, we'll try something different. I was thinking of cooking something, that way you guys can see what we eat. Not that it's weird or anything, but you know, everybody's different, like I said before. But you guys have a wonderful rest of your afternoon, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you next time.